Hi, my name is Bilal KASHIF and you're watching iExpert 360 Tips and Tricks playlist. Today the topic of the video is how to make bootable USB using command prompt. So let's get started. So why do we make a bootable USB? What is the need of it? If you will have to install Windows in your laptop, in your computers using your flash drive or pen drive, then this would work. Then you have to create a your USB a bootable device so that you can install the Windows from it other than the DVD or CD drive. So these are the commands that are used to make a normal USB into a bootable USB. So these are the commands, and now you have to open your command prompt. And how you can do it, just hit start button and write CMD. This is the command prompt and you have to select run as administrator. It will ask for the permission, you say yes, and here is the command prompt. I have already mentioned the commands for that. So this is our command prompt. Now the very first thing is you have to insert your USB which you want to create bootable. So I have already inserted my flash drive in my system, and the next command is disk part. It is basically a utility that helps to create a USB into a bootable USB. Diskpad, enter, and then the other command is, let me grab my, the other command is list disk. I will write this command in the description so you can just follow along. List disk. So these are all my disks. This is my 4 TB drive, this is my SSD, this is my 4 TB, and this is my USB drive, that is 28 GBs. The actual size is 32, but the size that is available on the disk, that is 28. So now you have to select that disk. SELECT, select disk. And what is the number? The number is 3. It is starting from 0. So the number of my disk is 3. Enter. And the other command is clean. Now we have to create this partition as our primary partition. So what is the command for creating a primary partition? That is CREA, create part, or you can write complete partition. And primary, you can write PRI, or you can write complete, that is primary, PRIMARY. The thing is same, the command is same. Create partition primary, and then we have to select this partition. Select part 1, or you can type select partition 1. And then now there are two main formats for if your system support UEFI, then you should format your USB using FAT32. And if your system does not support UEFI, it is, and if it support legacy mode, then you should format your USB using NTFS. Now what is UEFI and what is legacy mode? I will make another video right after this video, and that will explain what should what there should be, the type of your partition, and what is beneficial for you to use. Right now I am just formatting my USB using NTFS format, and the command is format fs is equal to NTFS quick. And if I'll hit enter, it will take couple of minutes, like it is done. And now we have to active this partition, and then we will exit our disk part. So how you can verify that whether your USB is a bootable drive or not? So for this purpose you have to, this is my ISO for Windows 10, and I have already extracted the files from this ISO using WinRAR. And if I'll copy these files into my USB shows Windows 10 icon when I will replug it and insert it again. So it will take a couple of minutes, like 2 to 3 minutes, to transfer the files, and I'll let you know when the file is done. So now that the files are copied in my USB drive, I am just going to unplug my USB drive, and my USB drive unplugged, and now I am reinserting it, and now you'll see there is an icon. Here is an icon that displays that this USB is now a bootable USB, and if I try to restart my computer and try to boot from this USB, it will boot towards the Windows 10 because I have copied Windows 10 in it. So this is all for the video, and so this is all for today's videos. Here is the command, and if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, and thanks a lot for watching. And the conclusion is, what we have learned so far, we have learned how you can make bootable USB using command prompt, and how you can verify it and test it. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next videos. Thanks a lot. Stay tuned. If you like this video, subscribe our channel, like our video, post your valuable comments. You can contact me at my Facebook, my WhatsApp, my email address, on my YouTube channel by posting your valuable comments, and on my Skype. So thanks a lot for watching. Stay tuned.